during the last 25 years. As you know, the Sun is a star. Is only one star among a family of something like 200 billion of stars. Some of them are relatively smaller, some of them much bigger, and so on. And evidently, this is not our own Milky Way because we do not have the possibility to go out to take the picture because the distances are much too big. From one side to another one is something like, the light will need something like 100,000 years to cross this distance. So maybe take note first of the presence. No, it's not working. Okay. You can see some small big dot on the spiral arms, and I will speak about in a couple of minutes. In our own Milky Way, we have big telescopes, and we can take a picture of a very, very small piece of the Milky Way in the central part. And what we see is thousands of stars, like the Sun, or slightly smaller or bigger. And the question we have today, do we have other planetary systems orbiting these different stars? Do we have the technical possibility to detect this kind of planetary system? And this, evidently, this is the old dream of the humanity. We have a plurality of worlds in the universe. We have plurality of inhabited worlds. But today, the technology permits to address this kind of question in the frame of science. It's very strange because it looks that it's evident. Everybody knows that from long time that we have a huge number of planetary systems in the Milky Way. It's not true. If you consider the astronomical literature, it's only in the middle of the 20th century that the idea changed. Because if you are looking at the publication made by big astronomers during the first part of the century, you will see that here most of the estimation was no other planetary system, or maybe very small number. And evidently this was based on a wrong scenario to form the disk of matter needed to form planets. And the idea changed drastically in the middle of the 20th century, and you see that immediately after, with a good scenario to form this disk, the estimation jumped to billions, hundreds of billions of planetary systems. So the idea was ready in the middle of the 20th century, less than 1 century ago, that we should have other planetary systems in the Milky Way.